Hello, everyone. In our last chapter, we explored business management. Today, we're entering a world that affects everything we use daily: supply chains and logistics. A supply chain is the path products take to get from factories to your hands. It includes raw materials, storage, transportation, and delivery. Without it, we wouldn't have phones, food, clothes, or even school books. Why do supply chains matter? Supply chains are the silent heroes behind every store shelf. They ensure your favorite cereal, snacks, shoes, and pens arrive where and when you need them. Without a working supply chain, businesses can't sell, people can't buy, and even hospitals might not get life saving equipment. How products travel the world. Imagine a simple school bag. It might be designed in the USA, made in China, and sold in India. Trucks take it to a port, ships cross oceans, then more trucks take it to stores. That one backpack may have traveled more than some of us ever have. That's how global supply chains connect the world. Steps in a global supply chain. Supply chains involve many stages. First, materials are bought. Then they are turned into products, stored, and shipped. Each stage must be timed right. If one supplier is late or a truck breaks down, everything slows down. It's like a relay race. Everyone must pass the baton smoothly. Real example: making a chocolate bar. Let's follow a chocolate bar. It starts as cocoa beans in Ghana, is shipped to a factory where it's turned into chocolate, wrapped, and sent to stores. By the time it reaches your hand, it's passed through farmers, transporters, packers, and more. Every bite is the result of teamwork. What is procurement? Procurement is buying the things a company needs. It might be ingredients, packaging, or tools. Managers look for the best price, good quality, and reliable suppliers. Just like you'd pick the best pen that lasts long and writes well, businesses choose carefully too. What is warehousing? A warehouse is where products rest before they are sold. It's not just a big storage room, it's organized and efficient. Items are stacked, sorted, and tracked, sometimes by robots. It's like a giant puzzle, and every box has its place. How inventory is managed. Inventory is the list of everything a business owns at the moment. If a store sells toys, its inventory might include 50 dolls, 30 puzzles, and 20 board games. Managers use software and barcodes to check what's available, what's running out, and when to reorder. Smart inventory systems. Smart tools like barcode scanners and real-time apps help track every product. Some stores even use AI to predict what people will buy next week. This avoids overbuying and ensures shelves are never empty or overstuffed. What is logistics? Logistics is the brain behind the movement of goods. It's how we make sure that a truck full of rice reaches the supermarket before the weekend rush. It's about speed, safety, and planning, choosing the best time, route, and method to move goods. Land, sea, and air transport. There are many ways to move products. Trucks are great for cities. Ships carry large loads across oceans. Planes are fast but costly. Trains are eco-friendly and steady. Each method has its strengths, and companies choose based on time, cost, and what needs to be moved. Choosing the best transport mode. Choosing a transport method is like solving a riddle. What's fastest? What's cheapest? What's safest for this product? Urgent medicines might fly, cars might sail, vegetables might ride on a truck. Every decision affects how well the supply chain flows. Making supply chains more efficient. Efficient means doing more with less time, less money, less confusion. Companies study every step to fix delays, remove waste, and deliver faster. It's like upgrading a bicycle into a motorbike. Same job, much quicker. Technology and supply chains. Tech has changed everything. GPS tracks trucks. Robots pack items in minutes. Software alerts you when stock is low. Today you can see where your online order is minute by minute. That's technology making supply chains smarter. Green and sustainable supply chains. Eco-friendly supply chains try to help the planet. That means less plastic, electric trucks, shorter routes, and recycled packaging. Going green saves money and earns customer trust. It's good for business and better for Earth. How global events affect supply chains. Natural disasters, strikes, or political problems can break a supply chain. Roads flood, factories close, shipments get blocked. These delays can cause shortages, higher prices, and unhappy customers. COVID-19 and supply chains. During the pandemic, supply chains struggled. Factories stopped, fewer workers were available, and transport was limited. Shops ran out of items. Deliveries were delayed. It was a big lesson. Even global systems need strong planning and backup. Building stronger supply chains. Now companies make supply chains stronger, using backup suppliers, tracking goods live, and buying more things locally. This means they can handle surprises and still deliver what people need, even during tough times. Careers in supply chain and logistics. There are so many exciting jobs. You could work in a warehouse, drive trucks, manage shipments, or analyze data. If you enjoy planning, teamwork, or solving puzzles, there's a place for you in logistics. Is supply chain right for you? Do you like organizing, helping others, and learning new things? Then supply chain might be your path. It's about connecting the world, keeping promises, and making sure people get what they need.